Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Lightroom mobile tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Here's the before and after photos using my Dark Fall Lightroom preset. So let's start. Today, I will show you how to edit Dark Fall Filter to your photos using Lightroom app on mobile. Let's start in the Lights tab. Adjust the exposure to -0.62. Contrast to +41. Adjust the highlights to +38. Shadows up to +15. Whites to -86. And adjust the blacks up to +100. Here's the adjustments in the tone curve. I just copied it from the DNG file for a precise adjustments. Let's proceed to the Colors tab. Adjust the temperature to -4. Tint to +2. Vibrance to +2. And adjust the saturation to -28. Next is in the color mix. In red, adjust the hue to +100. And adjust the saturation to -19. In orange, adjust the hue to -8. Saturation to -25. And luminance to -13. In yellow, adjust the hue to -98. Saturation to +64. And luminance to -28. In green, adjust the hue down to -100. Saturation to +67. And adjust the luminance to -22. In aqua, adjust the hue to +14. Saturation to -67. and luminance to -6. In blue, adjust the hue to +20. Saturation to -64. And adjust the luminance to -9. Leave the magenta and purple as is. Adjust the vignette to -26. Here's the adjustments on the split toning. Adjust the sharpening to 25. And adjust the color noise reduction to 25. Here's the DNG file. Let's copy and paste the settings to the photos that we want to edit. It is important to understand that there are no ideal settings for all photos. After all, we take photographs under different lighting conditions, with different equipment, so sometimes adjustment will be necessary,